Hey everyone, today we're just going to be making a latte using my Aeroccino 4. Now I have made a latte in the past, but I did it with an Aeroccino 3 and you're quite limited with that as to the options you have because there's only one setting on it for froth milk. So it was a case of pouring the milk in and then letting the foam that rested on top just drop down on top of the cup here. With the Aeroccino 4 though, we have a few different settings. We've got 4 settings: cold milk, steam milk, froth milk, and then max froth milk. And a commenter actually on the blog asked me the other day, how do you do it? Because he'd seen me put some extra froth milk in, and the setting inside of the Aeroccino, the line that you can go to, I don't know if you can see in there, the line that goes to the bottom, look, is quite low down, so you can't get a lot of milk in there if you're using max froth, which obviously isn't very good for a latte because you want a milky drink, don't you? So what we're going to do today is I'm going to put more milk in, open it again, up to more of that max line there for the max for steam milk. So I'm going to do that, I'm going to put it to there, and then I'm going to quickly put some more milk in again and on the max froth setting, and then pour that out on top of the latte. So you get that espresso, or you could use a lungo capsule, and then you get steam milk mixed with that, and then a layer of foam on top. So that's the plan. And we'll see how we go. I did do it the other day when the commenter and subscriber mentioned it, because I thought, oh, it's an interesting idea that. I wonder if you could do that. So, and it worked quite well. And the way I did it, I'll just fill this up now. The way I did it was, I can fit a bit more milk in than that. The way I did it is I put the milk in straight after mixing it as steam milk to do the max froth bit. Which isn't recommended really, because you end up burning milk onto the bottom of your frother, but I thought, well, I don't want the coffee to go cold. I'll just set this off. So we're using the steam milk setting. Yeah, I thought I don't want the coffee to go cold, so I'll just quickly throw it in there. But this time I'm going to try and quickly wash it out in between to cool the mechanism down again, because I found that if you reuse it straight away, it doesn't seem to froth up as much. I think it might be because it's hot inside the mechanism. I'm using a Scuro capsule today because they were designed, it's a barista creation capsule that's been designed for use with milk recipes. So that's the kind of capsule I'm using. Like I say, I'm going to put the milk in on top of the espresso, and then I'm going to quickly rinse it out, wash it out and dry it as fast as I can, and then put a bit more milk in on max froth setting to pour that on top again. So let's give this a go. Just hold it a bit higher. So we've got a shot of espresso here. You could have a double espresso, you could use, I have used a lungo capsule as well in the past. And we're just on steam milk setting. Just reiterate that for the Aeroccino 4. It's not done yet, so I'll let this drip out a little bit. I'm going to have to move pretty quickly though to wash it out, or else it's going to be going cold, my coffee, isn't it? Oh, turn that around. So you get your timings right. Obviously I'm talking at the same time trying to do this video, so I've messed up the timings a little bit. If you can get it so it finishes just as your Aeroccino finishes, and obviously it's going to keep your coffee hotter, isn't it? But trying to do that and do a video at the same time is not easy. The good thing is it's going to be getting it really nice and warm, that milk inside the Aeroccino. Now I love this bit of kit. I've reviewed, actually the comment that was left was on my review of this. They asked a question about a latte. People seem to really like that review, so check it out if you're interested in the Aeroccino 4. Shouldn't be too much longer now. There we go, it's finished. So I'm going to pour this in now. You can see it's get it really nice and milky. You can see the creamy milky texture coming through there. And I'm going to leave a layer on top. I'm going to quickly wash it out. See how long it takes. So I'm rinsing out any burnt milk from the inside. There actually isn't much burnt milk at all. So as you can see, it only takes a few seconds just to quickly wash it out, and what that does as well is it drags the temperature back down, which is going to allow the max froth setting, the milk, to really froth up again. Right. So let's pour it up to our inside now. A little bit less milk than the rest. I'll just get the spring. Spring needs to go back in. Like I say, you could. I did it the other day where I just ran it straight through again without washing it in between, and it did work. It made it really nice creamy texture, the latte. But today I just thought I'd test it with washing it out in between to see if I got more froth. But yeah, if you're worried about your coffee going cold, it is possible to just redo it. That lip on properly. As you can probably tell, I'm not one for times of crisis. I'm more planned out than that, but trying to move quickly for you today for the video purposes. Okay, so that's took about a minute there. We paused the video, but it's taken about a minute just to get that max froth. But as we can see, it gets really frothy again. When I've taken the time to wash it out, it's made a big difference, and we're now getting a nice layer of thick foam on the top. So we've got our espresso, our steamed milk, and then a nice layer of thick foam of the latte. I'll just taste it to make sure it's still hot. Yeah, it's really hot, really creamy. And I honestly think you'll enjoy that. But don't forget, you don't have to wash it out in between. If you want to just save time, you can run it through again, but I don't think it froths up quite as much at the second time because the mechanism is already hot. Hope that's helped you. Give it a go. If you've got any ideas for the better way to do it, feel free, leave a comment and get involved. And thanks for watching this one. Give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.